Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fun Fan Classroom. We have introduced before that TBM's new EC fan is equipped with a status indicator light on the motor base. In this video, we will explain how to judge the operating status of the fan through this indicator light. After the fan is powered on, it will first enter the self-test state. At this time, the indicator light will be green and flash. Generally, after flashing 3 times, the indicator light will change from green flashing to green and steady on if there is no problem with the fan. At this time, we can control the fan normally. If the fan detects an abnormality, it will issue a warning. At this time, the indicator light will turn yellow and flash, but the fan will not stop. It will only issue a warning and activate the corresponding protection function. When the fan detects a serious fault, the indicator light will turn red and flash, and the fan will stop running. When a fan warning occurs, although the fan will not stop, the operator still needs to troubleshoot the problem in time to prevent the fan from turning abnormal into a failure, which will affect on-site production and use. When the fan is in different warning or fault states, the number of times the indicator light flashes is also different. We can determine the current warning and fault information by counting the number of times the indicator light flashes in a cycle. The corresponding relationship is as follows. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.